Okay, today we're making ridiculicious honey garlic chicken kebabs with baby potatoes served right over a fresh salad. This is a full meal on a stick that's smoky, hearty, and absolutely perfect for grilling.
In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, honey, garlic, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, some lemon zest, smoked paprika, oregano, and some salt and pepper.
Add to cubed chicken and toss to coat. Cover and refrigerate this for at least an hour or so to let the flavors soak in. Parboil some baby potatoes until just tender, then drain and let them cool. Chop up some bell pepper, some red onion and zucchini, or any vegetables you like, into nice big chunky pieces. And if you're using wooden skewers, make sure you soak them for a couple hours so they don't catch fire. We're going to grill these over medium-high heat until the chicken is cooked through for about 12 to 15 minutes and the vegetables will be lightly charred. Then mix up 2 tablespoons of honey and a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar to brush over them just when they're finishing on the grill. While the kebabs were grilling, I tossed together a simple salad of just lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers. We're going to drizzle it with a lemony dressing and serve the kebabs right on top. For the dressing, I just mixed olive oil, Dijon mustard, some lemon juice, some honey, and some salt and pepper. Now that's ridiculicious.